Hello my friends, welcome to our channel Biography of Athletes. Now we are talking about John Force. John Harold Force is an American NHRA drag racer. He is a 16-time NHRA and one-time AHRA Funny Car champion driver and a 21-time champion car owner. Force owns and drives for John Force Racing. He is one of the most dominant drag racers in the sport with 151 career victories. I hope you enjoy this video. If you love John Force, watch this video to end. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more update. John Force biography. Real name: John Harold Force. Nickname: Brute Force. Occupation: American car racer. Years active: 1978 present. Ethnicity: white. Zodiac signs: Taurus. Date of birth: May 4, 1949, age 71 years. Place of birth: Bell Gardens, California, United States. Nationality: American. Religion: not know. Net worth: $20 million. Education: John completed his schooling from Bell Gardens High School. Later, he went on to study at Cerritos College in Norwalk, California. Brand endorsements: John has appeared in the commercials for various brands such as Chevrolet, ARP Bolts, Peak, University of Northwestern Ohio, Castrol Oil, NHRA, Traxxas, E3 spark plugs. John Force physical stats. Body tips: average. Height: 5 feet 11 in or 180.5 centimeters. Weight: 77 kilograms or 170 pounds. Eye color: green. Hair color: due to John's age, his hair has turned into the shades of salt and pepper. Distinctive features: sports thin mustache. John Force family details. Father Harold Force. Mother Betty Ruth Force. Siblings: Walker Force, older brother. Louis Force, older brother. Tom Force, older brother. Cindy Hem, older sister. Dana Force, older sister. Spouse and children name. Spouse: Lori Force. Brittany Force, auto racer. Ashley Force Hood, car racer. Brittany Force, car racer. Adria Height. John Force interesting facts. Growing up, he spent most of his time between logging camps, Indian reservations, migrant farms, and trailer parks. As a child, he was diagnosed with polio and survived. He developed a passion for football during his high school years and went on to play college football at Cerritos College. John is the youngest of 6 siblings. His older brother Tom died before the year 2020. His oldest daughter Ashley is a former Top Fuel Funny Car drag racer, whereas his middle child Brittany is an NHRA drag racer and his youngest daughter Courtney is a former drag racer. The Night Stalker Mustang that was built by former drag racer Jack Chrisman was one of the first funny cars that he drove in 1971. From 1987 to 1996, John had bagged 67 of 203 NHRA national events, 4 of 9 Big Bud shootouts, and 6 World Championship. John took home his 150th NHRA race against NHRA Funny Car racer Ron Capps on August 4, 2019, at the Magic Dry Organic Absorbent. He considers his grandson Jacob to be his lucky charm. John Force house details. John Force lives in a luxurious house which is located in Yorba Linda, California, United States.